appreciated your guys' responses in Module 1 and Module 2, and I think you guys are just starting to see the incredible opportunity there is right now to enter into a trade as a career path, right? It doesn't have to be a plan B, it doesn't have to be what you do if you can't make it in college or drop out or any of those things. You can be successful and not any less of a human if you pursue a skilled trade right out of high school. And by taking this class, again, you're going to be set up to exceed even faster. And so you can get to the next level, be earning the bigger paychecks even faster because you are learning the skills that you will be in this class. And so this next module, we're going to be getting into tools, right? So we're going to be starting out with hand tools, and we're going to be moving into power tools, and then into our shop equipment, the bigger things, the table saw and those kind of tools. But in this module, we're talking about hand tools. But I just want to talk about this idea of tools in general. Think about how much they have changed just the construction industry. And it blows my mind to think that 100 years ago, my grandfather, he's not 100, but let's just say in that era, right, he's doing everything with hand tools, right? All he had was a handsaw, a plane, and a hammer, right? There's very few tools. They were doing everything. They were building all these houses, all this intricate work with just those simple hand tools. And right, even backtrack that further, go back thousands and thousands of years, they were building the pyramids, and Rome was building the Colosseum and all these things, and all they had was a couple hand tools. They didn't have anything that we have now. None of these modern tools, and yet the surprising thing is some of their stuff is way better quality and precision than we do with all our lasers and all our GPSs and all these things we can do. It's crazy how detailed they were. I mean, I know there was a pyramid down in Mexico, and only once a year there's a little window that the sun will shine through it perfect once a year at a festival, and lights up the ground in a certain spot. So they were able to figure all that out, make everything perfect, and get it all figured out with just their hand tools and looking at the stars and different things. It blows my mind that they were able to do that. And so we're going to be talking about hand tools in this module. And so tool that hasn't really changed much in the industry is this hammer. Right? Think, it started out, somebody picked up a rock and used it to break something, to smash something. And then eventually they said, hey, we can put a stick on the end of that rock and get even more power with it. And so today we're still left with that stick with a rock, right? It's a piece of metal instead of a rock, but basic idea, the hammer has not changed a whole lot. Right? And so it's just crazy. A tool that has transformed and been around for thousands of years, the first tool basically that ever existed, is still in our hands today. Right, so we're going to be talking about hammers, we're going to be talking about levels, we're going to be talking about tape measures, how to read them. We're going to start learning about how to read these things. We're going to talk about squares, we're going to be talking about chalk lines. And so those are your 5 basic tools as a carpenter you're going to be using on the regular every day. So these are the hand tools that basically every day you'll have them in your tool belt, or you'll have them handy. You aren't going to keep a level in your tool belt. You're going to have it handy because you're going to need to use it all the time. So stay tuned for the future videos in this module explaining how we use these tools and why we use them. And so I hope you enjoy this module. Have a great day.